This is the third day of New York Attorney General Letitia James' $250 million civil fraud trial against former President Donald Trump, two of his adult children, and the family's company. Trump was admonished yesterday by Judge Arthur Engoron after he attacked one of his clerks on social media. The former president's attorneys filed a notice of appeal of the judge's ruling last week that Trump had committed persistent fraud. During the cross-examination this morning, Trump's lawyer sought to damage the credibility of his former accountant, Donald Bender, who admitted that he did not dispute property valuations that the Attorney General's office has alleged were inflated. James blasted the former president on her way into the courtroom for the attorney's testimony, calling his appearance at the trial a political stunt and a fundraising stop. "The Donald Trump show is over," she said, calling his comments offensive and baseless and devoid of facts and evidence while not specifying which remarks she was referring to. Trump has repeatedly called the AG corrupt and her civil charges against him baseless during his 2.5 days at the courthouse.
Never happened. A thing like this has never happened before. I just simply put in financial statements with a disclaimer. In other words, don't even bother reading them. I borrowed the money, I paid back the money in full, 100%. There were no defaults, there were no letters of reprimand, the banks were extremely happy, and in many cases I paid the money back early.
Trump departed the courthouse this afternoon after the morning's proceedings. Minutes earlier, Trump had sent out a fundraising email that stated, "I just left the courthouse for the day for my unjust trial in New York." The trial resumed without the former president, who left the courtroom at the break.
Well, you should feel this way, you should think this way, you should see it this way. Here's why. But I just recommend that you get the transcript for yourself and you read it for yourself and make a determination and then start with the facts. Thank you. Reporting live from the courthouse.